Welcome to another ABS online video. Let's go and find out what we're going to learn today. Hello guys, it's week 11. Let's get going. We have looked at terrible things that happen rarely. We've got one of our adverbs there. Rarely. That means not very often. Actually, even less than not very often. Rarely happens almost never, but it certainly happens. This week, our disaster is both annual and worldwide. He looks shocked. Well, I guess this is just being very honest. Annual, that means every year, and worldwide, almost everywhere. What is it? Flood. Now, I'm sure you've seen a flood on the TV. They do happen quite often. That is just too much water. It is, but there are several kinds of flood. Really? It's just too much water. The water is in the river, and then the water is on the land. That seems to be just one kind. Maybe I'm wrong. Oh, okay. Flash floods are really scary. Even sounds a bit fast and scary, doesn't it? Flash floods. So, what will we look at? Well, why do floods happen? What damage can they do? Can we prevent them? And how bad can they be? We've got some great questions there. Now look at that third question. Can we prevent them? Well, that would be great. This would be our first natural disaster that we could stop. But can we? In the picture here, people are just using sandbags. Now they're just bags full of sand. Do they work? Well, it looks as if people are hoping they will. Maybe we'll find out in the lesson. Some floods are really bad. Floods can kill in several different ways. Well, that's quite interesting. I guess if the volcano, well, that would just burn you up. But what about the flood? How can it kill you in different ways? It can't burn you. It just puts you underwater. Well, again, maybe I'm wrong. Oh, quickly and slowly. Now, I'm getting really quite confused and scared myself. One of the biggest problems is that water moves things. Water flows. And we know that it moves things because I'm sure we've all seen leaves moving down the river. Well, If there's a lot of water, it can move bigger things, trees, maybe even bigger. Well, I hope things get happier soon. This will be our last disaster. Well, that's good to hear. And let's not forget our adverbs. We have already seen many adverbs. There's going to be a few more in our lesson. Have you been trying to use them? I hope so. They're great. Okay, so this week it's all about floods. Now, I thought it was just water coming out of the river, but maybe there's a lot more to talk about. Okay, guys, thank you again. See you soon. Thank you for watching our video today. Please don't forget, subscribe, and that will help us to make lots more videos for you. Thank you. Bye.